Before we get to your full weather with Dana, check out these photos of ice pillars that Alexa sent us from Biddeford last night. So cool. Thanks for sending us those, Alexa. Remember, you can always share your photos and videos with us using the Near Me section of the News Center Maine mobile app. So Dana, what exactly is this? Because if you don't know what this is, which a lot of people don't, it kind of looks a little weird.
It does.
To say.
It's also a pretty rare phenomenon. It's essentially light reflecting off of these hexagonal ice crystals that are suspended in the atmosphere. So the atmospheric conditions have to be perfect, and they also have to be the correct direction, I guess I should say, for the light to be able to reflect off of them like that. So super cool sight. I know I saw a couple pictures on Facebook from last night when people attempted to see the northern lights and ended up seeing ice pillars instead. So cool.
Still very cool. I mean, it's amazing how it can just
exactly
be so cool. So weather down, kind of back closer to the ground. It's chilly outside.
We've been in this pattern of below average temperatures thanks to this upper level area of low pressure. And our high temps today were a bit December-y. Areas closer to the coast got into the mid 40s, but areas in northern Maine, highs in the 30s, didn't actually escape freezing today for a high in Rangeley. Our normal high temperature has officially dropped out of the 50s though, down to a high of 49. So here's our upper level low. It's starting to move out. Some of the cloud cover is starting to erode. Same with the scattered showers that we saw during the day today. So the rest of those will dissipate as we get into the day tomorrow. And overall, we're going to be increasing our sunshine. We have an area of high pressure that'll be moving in behind the upper level low. It won't be completely sunny during the day tomorrow, but we'll be experiencing more sunshine than we have seen over the past few days as long as this upper level low has been around. And in my opinion, Saturday is the best day of the 7-day forecast. It'll have ample sunshine. Our temperatures won't respond a ton. We'll still be in the 40s, but it'll be a lot brighter on Saturday. That is until we start to see some increase in clouds ahead of our next system. So we've been watching this one for a few days now, and it's going to start really late Saturday night into early Sunday morning. This is a look at 1 a.m. very early on Sunday. So along the immediate coastline, it looks like it'll be warm enough to be all rain. There might be a little bit of mixing, but we're going to be right on that line, so more towards the rain. But then we're going to watch that area of low pressure. Oop, I skipped too far forward. Apologies there. So as we continue to see. Here, I'll skip forward to the next one. There we go. Okay, so as we break down this system here, again, it'll be rain closer to the immediate coast, and then we'll be watching the location of that rain snow line because we're going to start to pull in some warmer air from the south, which will push the rain snow line a little bit farther north. So by the time we hit around 8 a.m., areas, for example, like Lewiston or Augusta will change over from snow into rain, and then we'll have that rain snow line continue to push farther northward, though I would expect areas of far northern Maine will remain snow for the duration of this event. But it moves pretty quickly. By the time we get to the early afternoon, areas of southwestern Maine have already cleared. It'll take the longest for us to clear out of areas of down east and northern Maine. And that's actually one of the bigger questions in this forecast is just how long will this system linger in northern Maine, because that'll have a bigger impact on our final snowfall totals. And it is officially our first snow map of the season. So right along the immediate coast, again, mostly rain there, maybe a little bit of mixing, but not a ton. Areas here in the white color, that's up to about 1 inch. And then areas, for example, north of Bangor and Lewiston, about 1 to 3 inches. And then areas in the darkest blue here up in the mountains and far northern Maine, 3 to 6 inches of snow. Marine forecast sees 3 to 5 feet. The ocean temperature is 50 degrees, so that's actually why it's a pretty big change when you see the winds coming off the water, how it can move that rain snow line. So we do have some more sunshine in that 7-day forecast before we have that system come in, Bailey, but our temperatures are going to be pretty consistent.
Consistent temperatures. We have snow, we have rain, we have sun though. So
a little bit for everyone.
Kind of a mix, yeah. If you are looking for something out there, maybe you can find it.
Especially over the weekend. Big change from Saturday to Sunday.
Right. Okay. Thank you.